Namaste and welcome to our Ayurveda cooking class. Today we are going to make healthy yogurt drink. It is very rich in calcium, magnesium, vitamin B12 and many other minerals. The calcium helps to maintain the healthy bones and teeth, whereas it also contains protein which helps in maintaining the cellular health. The ingredients that we are going to require in making healthy yogurt drinks are 1 cup of yogurt, 2 to 3 leaves of basil, some pumpkin seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and 1/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 cup of water. We will take a small saucepan and we will turn on the flame. In this saucepan, we will take half a cup of water. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Now, as we can see, the water is boiling. So therefore, we will add some leaves of basil, six to eight seeds of pumpkin, one-fourth teaspoon of coriander seeds, one-fourth teaspoon of fennel. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. The time at which we start feeling the beautiful aroma out of the mixture is the time when we will close the flame and now we have to let it down to cool for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will take a blender and we will pour our yogurt into the blender jar. We can strain the water before adding into the curd, or we can directly add the mixture into the curd. Now we will blend the yogurt and the water. Our healthy yogurt drink is ready. And we can garnish it with some basil leaves as well. Our delicious, healthy yogurt drink is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful? It is quite beneficial in so many different ways in our body. The live cultures present in the yogurt helps in maintaining the proper health of the gut. It helps to maintain the proper bowel movements. It also reduces the constipation and the occurrence of diarrhea. So that was all about the healthy yogurt drink. Hope you enjoy it at your home. Thank you.